Look.
My dad did his best.
Say hi to Allie. Say hi.
Anyway, on Sundays he used to.
Echo's so close to crawling.
Can you turn it off, Max?
Echo's so close to crawling. She'll get up on her hands and knees and then rock back and forth, but that's about it. Maybe she'll do it for you. Echo!
I would just stand at the railing and I would look.
Get up. Wake me up. Oh, you go. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to Allie. Look, she's doing a split. Say hi. There she goes. Oh God.